The man stabbed his knife through the door, then he slowly twisted the knife. However, the killer outside the door didn't make a sound. He thought this way the man wouldn't be able to detect him. But when the killer tried to move closer to prepare a counterattack, a knife stabbed through the door. The killer immediately realized this man was no ordinary person. So he slowly backed away first, then prepared to launch an attack. At this tense moment, someone suddenly knocked on the door. Before the man could react, police burst through the door. The killer ducked behind the door like lightning. The man slowly came out, dealing with the situation. But the man didn't reveal where the killer was hiding. While the two were talking, the killer slowly peeked out, wanting to launch a sneak attack. The man signaled with his eyes, and the police officer also sensed something was wrong. But there was no one outside the door. The next day, through investigation, the man discovered that last night's killer was his wife's brother. Because the man's wife had betrayed him, he killed her in a fit of rage. Now the man was out of prison, and the killer was ready to settle the score between them. He went to the place where the killer worked. The killer gripped the knife in his hand tightly. But the man didn't make a move. He only warned the killer. However, that night, when the man was preparing to go to sleep, he felt something was wrong. He got out of bed and walked to the other side, carefully lifting the blanket, only to discover a corpse wrapped in plastic. Before the man could react, he was suddenly attacked by a woman.